Guys, welcome back to another video of Fox Android. So today we'll start a new series, right? So this will be basically in continuation with the Firebase series only, but in that this will be a new chapter. In this chapter we'll learn that how do we implement the email password authentication using Firebase to our application, right? So if you want the authentication to be of type like entering the email and the password, getting the password from the user, then how do we do that? How do we implement that? So we have already covered the phone authentication, right? That tutorial series has already been made, and I guess you like that series. Similarly, we'll learn how to make email authentication in this series. So first, let me show you what we're gonna get by the end of the this tutorial, right? Today's tutorial. It'll be a series of three videos, I guess. So today we'll get this thing, if you can see on my mobile screen. So first we'll create a project in Firebase and connect our app to that Firebase, right? That is the one thing we are going to do. And second, if you can see on my mobile screen, right, we will be designing this interface. This is the sign up interface, right? So today we'll design this page. So that is the two things we're gonna do by the end of this tutorial. So without much ado, let's get started. So guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon. And by the end of the video, if you understand the whole code, right, and you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button as well. So first what we'll do is we'll just create a project in Firebase and connect our app. For that, I'll go to Tools, Firebase. Here we'll go to Authentication, email password authentication. So now let me click on this connect to Firebase. Okay, so now ideally you should click on this add project, but I'll change it this ID because I've reached the limit for the project in this ID. So I'll just simply change the ID. So once your window is opened, you click on create project, right? Then click on continue, continue. You can keep it analytics location as United States if you're just doing it for learning purposes, or you can keep the one near to you if you are doing a serious project like you're developing for the production. So I'll keep it India and click on create project. Okay, so the project has been created. Now just simply click on continue. Now it will automatically connect your this Firebase project to your Android app. You just need to click on connect button. Click on connect. Okay, now the project is connected. If we go here, okay, now it's showing connected. Now we'll simply click on this add Firebase authentication to your app, accept changes. Now the project is syncing. Once the sync is completed, then all the required libraries and whatever changes are required in build Gradle will be done automatically. Okay, now the sync is completed. So we'll start designing the activity for the sign up activity, right? So for this, first we need a resource file, the background image that you must have seen on that activity. So I've already downloaded this. So I'll put the link for this resource files that we are using in the description below. You can check it out, right? So I'll copy this file to Drawable and simply paste this. Okay, now the file is there, right? So after this, we need to do some modifications in the theme, right? So here first we'll change this to no action bar. We'll change the primary color to black. We'll change the status bar color to black as well. We'll just define a style, text input, just name it text input layout, right? We'll set the parent as outline box. Now we'll set certain attributes in this style. The first one will be hint color. We'll set it to black. We're setting this style for the text input uh, layout that we're using in our activity, right? Okay, we are done with the style. Now we'll go to our activity. I'll simply delete this. Now I'll design this, and by the once I'm done with the design, then I'll explain the code, right? So okay guys, we are done with the front end code, right? We have designed the front end, right? I'll just simply slowly scroll it down in case you missed anything, because I've copied these two things. I do not want to just write the code because they were very much similar, right? We just need to change two three attributes, the ID and the input type, right? So I'll slowly scroll down so you can systematically see what we have written. So I hope you have seen the code. There's nothing much we have done. This is simply a text view, right? So these are the text input edit text, right? The three of them. So we have given them the IDs and sent the hint. We have set the style of these to this style we have made here, right? So there is one button. So that will be used to register the user. So if you're watching this tutorial, I assume that you know how to design the things. So we have successfully designed this. I'll be putting the link for the source code in the description below. If you're not able to make this thing as it is, you can simply clone the code from GitHub. I'll provide the link in the description, right? So I hope you understood the things. So we have covered two things. We have connected our app to Firebase. Then we have designed this front end. So in the next tutorial, we'll be writing the backend code, right? So if you like the video and understood the code, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well and press the bell notification icon so you receive the notification for the upcoming videos of this series, right? So that is it for today's video. Bye.